So let's look in the book at some of the first examples there and make sure that we're going to be okay, especially finding the hardest thing that we have to go find because most of the other stuff is given us, the z alpha over 2 or the critical values. So number 6 and number 8 are asking us to find common critical values. So ironically, number 6 is asking us to do a 99% confidence interval. Right? So they want us to find the critical value associated with 99% confidence. Well, we've done that in the past two videos, but let's show it one more time. In order to do that, let's come and look at our A2 table, our table A2, and if we go to the bottom right hand corner of the chart, sorry about that, we can see that 99% confidence is corresponding to 2.575. And so we get that answer for number 6 that easily. So if we go back to our work and come in here, we know 99% is 2.575. Now for number 8, they want something that's not as common, the 98% confidence, and we've seen that happen already. Remember with this one, we're going to draw our picture so that 98% of the data lies right in the middle, which means 1% is on each side. Now this 98% confidence is not going to be at the bottom, so we got to go into the middle of that chart with 0.9900. And as we go to 0.9900, the closest we're going to find in that chart is a 9901, which happens to be in the 2.3 row in the 0.03 column. So for 98%, it's 2.33. Let's look at one more just because those we had seen before. I wasn't expecting that. And so let's look at what would happen if they wanted us to do something like 92% confidence. Kind of weird that they would do that, not a standard one at all, but it's possible. They can make up any level of confidence that they want. And I sometimes will on the exam. So if we have 92 sandwiched in the middle, that means there's 8% left over. That 8% is what our book's calling alpha. And that 8% is going to be split into two. Half of it's going to go here at 4%, and the other half's going to go here. Now remember, the critical value that we're looking for is right there. And so we're going to go look up 0.96, right? If I add those two together, the 0.92 and the 0.04, we have 0.96 to the left. It's an area to the left, so I'm going to write it as 9600. Now this one I don't know, and so let's go look at that chart, and we'll make it big like I can, and have us go down here. And we're looking for the closest we can to 9600, and I see something really close right here. I see 9599. The next number up is 9608, which is even farther off. So that's our guy. Let's see where that is. It's in the 1.7 row, right? It's in that row. And which column are we in? The 5 column. So 1.75 is our guy. And so let's go back to our sheet and come in here and get this guy big again. And so 92% confidence, right? So you got to be careful about how you were talking about this. 92% confidence corresponds to 1.75. We use 96 as a tool, as a reference, but it's not the confidence. The confidence was 92. It's the 92 that's in the middle. 96 just allows us to get in and find that number because my chart only speaks one way. Hey, what's the area to the left? And so we had to give it that full area to the left, or the 9600. But we're really finding the 92% confidence number.